I woke up and saw this beautiful, beautiful blue sky, and I'm like, oh my God, it's so gorgeous. And I zoomed out. I'm like, oh wait, is it really not that? Is it not that pretty? What is that, like just a tinted window, and this is the real one? You know, I don't know, right? And I zoomed out again. I'm like, oh wow, they're all different colors. They're all different tints. I don't know which one. Maybe this one is clear, or maybe it's not the center one, but we don't know. We don't know. The only reference point I have is through these lenses, right? And each lens just, because the lens is this way, the thing it's showing is very different, right? So isn't it that way in reality also? It's that way, and the worst lens is ego. And ego, it's not something that you can see visually. This I can make the example clear, right? But as Morpheus says in Matrix to Neo, he's like, you're in a prison, you can't smell, touch, see, taste, or hear. A prison for your mind. And it's an energetic prison, and it makes things, figuratively speaking, just very, very dark, always viewed only through the lens of self, and not even necessarily your true self, but your ego self, and it's all very negative, always. And then living in that reality, when you have that vision, like I might think, oh, there's a beautiful blue sky, let me go outside and see it, right? I might think, oh, it's kind of dull, I don't want to see it. So let's say I say it's beautiful and I want to see it, I go and see it, and I'm actually really liking it, and then I can see how beautiful and truly blue it is, right? But if I see this, oh, it's dull, I don't want to go outside, then I'm just gonna stay here and not move, right? So the point is, like, the way you see things really influence every action you take. So it's just important to be aware of that and be able to observe one's own ego mind, because it's unlike these differences in lenses and colors, the ego mind is invisible.